Welcome to the third part of our keyboard shortcuts series. In this part, we will continue showing the various shortcuts of the Windows logo key. Let's get started. It's an everyday habit to communicate using emojis. You can use them faster if you hit the Windows key plus period or semicolon key. Having Windows constantly open while working can be a headache when you need to see your desktop. You can take a peek of your desktop if you use the Windows key plus comma. Find out all the information about any Windows system using the Windows key plus pause. If you work in an enterprise environment and need to find other computers on a network, just hit the Windows key plus Ctrl plus F. This device is not connected to an enterprise network. To start one of your pinned apps from the taskbar fast, just use the Windows key plus the corresponding number. For example, Windows plus 2 starts the second pinned app. To open a new instance of that app, use the Windows key plus Shift plus the same number. If you have multiple instances of that app you just opened, you can use Windows plus Control plus the same number to switch to the last active window of that app. You can use the jump list of that app too if you hit Windows plus Alt plus the corresponding number. Finally, to start a pinned app with administrative privileges, you need to use Windows key plus Control plus Shift plus the correct number of the pinned app. Please share your favorite Windows shortcut in the comments, and make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell for future updates. For those of you who use the task view, you can hit the Windows key plus tab for a faster experience. Maximize, restore, minimize a window is very easy when you use the Windows key plus arrow keys. You can use Windows key plus up to maximize or Windows key plus down to restore or minimize a window. Windows plus left or right will maximize the active window to the left or right half of your screen. Of course, you can snap any window to the top or bottom half of your screen by using Windows key plus Alt plus up or down arrows. Minimize all windows except the active one is easily done when you use Windows plus Home. Sometimes, there is the need to stretch a window to the top of the screen. Do that using Windows plus Shift up arrow and restore it back using Windows plus Shift plus down. For users with multiple screens, there is a really fast way to transfer a window from one screen to another. Just hit Windows plus Shift plus left or right and you will be amazed. As we conclude our journey through shortcut keys, make the most of the efficiency these keystrokes offer to elevate your digital experience. If you found value in this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it, and subscribe for more tech tips. Wishing you a smooth and productive journey with shortcuts.